Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some dal. In this bowl I have 1 pint of peas that are washed and ready to put into the pressure. I have some mixed masala, cumin or jeera. I have some curry dye and salt. Alright, so I'm gonna start by adding this into the pressure. I'm going to add a little bit more water, salt to taste, turmeric or curry dye. I'm going to turn the stove on and let it boil. Stay tuned. Now I'm going to add a pinch of sugar into this dal. And the reason for this is because some people use peas and they get burnt stomach. Alright, so that's one of the reasons why I use the sugar. Remember, not sugar too sweet. Alright, so I'm going to pressure this. So I'm going to turn this down and let it pressure, and I will be back when it gets soft enough. So I have some cumin, which I will be parching, and some mixed masala, grind mixed masala. Okay, and 2 cloves of garlic. This is a Chunky Dahl. So first I'm going to add this cumin into this pan with no oil, and I'm going to parch it and then add it to the dal. Then chunky the garlic. I'm going to add this to the dal and I'm going to stir it. Now this is my take, alright? Remember. Now I'm going to add some oil into the pot, into the cannery, and this is where I'm going to fry the chunky, the garlic, and add it, alright? So I'm going to add the garlic and let it fry, and I'm going to add a little of the mixed masala. Alright. So now I'm going to add this. If you want it to get a more brown, it's your choice. So I'm going to add this to there. Right. And then I'm going to mix it. And then I'm going to let it boil up a little bit more on low fire. Now if you want spice into this, which is some pepper people normally put inside, the only pepper that I have is the pepper that we call bird pepper. So this is what I'm going to add into it. So this is it. So I'm going to let it just steam for a little while. I don't want it to mash, because remember, it's, for me, the spice in the pot along with the spice with the peas of itself that normally give you burnt stomach is a combination. So I would not let this mash in here. Alright, so stay tuned. I will be back when for the finishing product. Alright, stay tuned.